Welcome to the session. Today we're diving into how home equity invoice agreements are reshaping construction. It's like finally tying contractor pay directly to the value they actually add to a property.
Yep. So we're talking about a system where contractors get compensated based on measurable equity improvements, right?
Exactly. It's a major shift. Instead of the old unpredictable models where hours and guesses ruled, now payments reflect the actual quality and value added.
That's pretty revolutionary for contractors. I mean, no more feeling underpaid for extra work, correct?
Right, yes. It provides stable wealth by ensuring contractors are rewarded proportionally to property value increase, so contractors can finally see a direct return on their craftsmanship.
Yeah, exactly. And it sounds like homeowners benefit too, because they only pay for real upgrades?
Absolutely. Homeowners get peace of mind with fair payments, knowing that payments align with actual market improvements. It increases accountability, making sure you get your money's worth, like no more budget overruns and disappointment.
Indeed. But aren't there challenges? I mean, how do you ensure that the estimated equity gain is fair on both sides without ambiguity?
That's a great point. The agreement uses transparent measures, so both contractor and homeowner agree on benchmarks during the project. This alignment promotes trust and reduces disputes.
Right, that makes sense. I can see that working, yet I wonder if sometimes the market fluctuations might skew those enhancements.
True, market volatility is a factor, but the idea is that the contract sets clear guidelines on how equity is measured. It's like a built-in quality check to protect both sides.
Yeah, exactly. That built-in check is essential. And there's the investor angle too, right? How does this benefit those managing multiple properties?
Yes, for investors, it provides transparency and flexibility. They can manage cash flow better, knowing that money is going out only when real, quantifiable improvements are made. It's like having a financial safety net that encourages reinvestment in quality.
It really seems like HEIA is setting new standards by aligning everyone's interests for contractors, homeowners, and investors alike.
Exactly. It not only transforms the payment structure, but also rebuilds trust on both sides, ensuring clearer, fairer outcomes for everyone involved.
Yep, it's a game changer.
Build wealth, not just houses.